This octopus is incredibly spicy, but so good. And the crab is bursting with flavor. Look at this roe. Oh, wow. So good. I am so excited for this feast. Look at that cheese pull. It's so good. Look at this huge tentacle, everyone. It's so good.
The marinated crab is amazing. You have to try this bite.
Wow, this is the spiciest seafood boil I've ever seen. Let's dig in. Oh my goodness, look at all this food. I do not even know where to start. Wow, that crunch. Oh my goodness, look at all this food. It smells amazing. Let's dig in.
Wow, look at all this spicy seafood. Wow.
So much food. Let's eat.
Oh my gosh, this is so hot.
Wow, this is incredible. Look at all this food.
All right, let's get into this. Look at this spread. This looks amazing. Trying the sauce, so good.
Spicier than fire.
Oh my god, this is hot. Look at all this cheese, guys. Oh man, I cannot wait to bite into this crispy chicken.
Hi everyone! Today we have a huge spread of spicy fire noodles and cheesy fried chicken. Let's dig in. Taking a bite of this caramelized pork belly. It's so juicy and tender. And the spicy noodles are amazing too.
Did you see the size of that koi?
I did. It's so peaceful here. The food is great too.